Welcome to the Viral World YouTube channel. In this video you will learn that how to use mask. This video provides advice on the use of masks in communities, during home care, and in health care settings in areas that have reported cases of COVID-19. It is intended for individuals in the community, public health and infection prevention and control (IPC) professionals, health care managers, health care workers (HCWs), and community health workers. This updated version includes a section on advice to decision makers on the use of masks for healthy people in community settings. Rational use of personal protective equipment for coronavirus disease (COVID-19). WHO recommendations for the rational use of personal protective equipment (PPE) in health care and community settings, including the handling of cargo. This video is intended for those involved in the distribution and management of PPE, as well as public health authorities and individuals in health care and community settings to understand when PPE use is most appropriate. When to use a mask. Before putting on a mask, clean hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. Cover mouth and nose with mask and make sure there are no gaps between your face and the mask. Avoid touching the mask while using it. If you do, clean your hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. Replace the mask with a new one as soon as it is damp and do not reuse single-use masks. To remove the mask, remove it from behind, do not touch the front of mask, discard immediately in a closed bin, clean hands with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. When and how to wear medical masks to protect against coronavirus. If you are healthy, you only need to wear a mask if you are taking care of a person with COVID-19. Wear a mask if you are coughing or sneezing. Masks are effective only when used in combination with frequent hand cleaning with alcohol-based hand rub or soap and water. If you wear a mask, then you must know how to use it and dispose of it properly. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoys this informative video. Like, comment and share this beautiful video. Make sure to subscribe the Viral World YouTube channel for latest updates. And hit the bell icon to get notified of new uploaded videos.